Decoding the phrase spurn. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we are diving deep into the English language to understand a powerful phrase, spurn. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in your conversations. Spurn is a verb that means to reject or refuse something or someone with disdain or contempt. It's not just a simple no, it carries with it a sense of strong disapproval or unwillingness. Imagine being offered something that you not only don't want but also feel strongly against. That's when you might spurn that offer. To understand it better, let's look at some examples. 1. She spurned his advances because she was not interested in a relationship. 2. Despite the large paycheck, he spurned the job offer as it was against his principles. 3. The athlete spurned the sponsorship deal, feeling it wasn't a good fit for his image. From these examples, you can see that spurn is used in situations where there's a firm rejection due to personal reasons, beliefs, or feelings. To further expand your vocabulary, here are some synonyms and related words for spurn. Reject. To refuse to accept, consider, or make use of. Decline. To politely refuse. Rebuff. To reject in an abrupt or ungracious manner. Dismiss. To decide not to consider or give attention to. Remember, while these words have similar meanings, they might carry different nuances. Always consider the context when choosing which word to use. A common mistake people make is confusing spurn with just any rejection. It's essential to remember that spurn has a sense of intensity and emotion behind it. It's not just turning something down, it's turning it down with disdain or strong feelings. So there you have it, dear learners. The word spurn is a strong verb that adds depth to your conversations when you want to express intense rejection. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this word confidently. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.